Hello, dear classmates and tutor. This is me, Pedro Juliana Maya Muñoz, and for this task, I'm going to express my opinion about the video adjusts to the school system. And it begins with this famous phrase attributed to Albert Einstein: "Everyone is genius, but if you judge a fish for his ability to climb trees, he will live his whole life thinking he's useless." A phrase that the author of the video used as an introduction to his brain speech. The video criticized the current education system, which is obsolete for our era, killed the creative and transformed people into autonomous beings. And the author goes further in his analysis and proposes an alternative education model in which people are taught to take full advantage of their potential. This video highlights the importance of education in the currently society. So I think nowadays the teachers have the most important job on the planet, yet they are underpaid. No wonders how many students are shortchanged. But to be honest, teachers should earn just as much as a doctor, because a doctor can do heart surgery and save the life of a kid, but a great teacher can reach the heart of that kid and allow them to truly live. See the teachers as heroes. And schooling is more, I think, so how you work tough and competition is tied in with it. For example, students everywhere in the country take some form of a standardized test. They are set up to only where some can pass and some fail. Students compete against each other to see how well they do and their achievement and success. Education, I think, at least to me, it's like balancing round stones. For example, society wants schools to have classroom and develop creative students, but also have an order to all the teachers balance these round stones in education by trying to keep creative with education and keeping an order in the classroom. So I think for this final conclusion, I think education is more essential to our learning than most people think. Teachers are important and deserve more of the prize than they receive. So that's my final words for this video. I hope you like it, enjoy it, and see you for next activity. Bye bye. Thank you a lot.